Dear my friends, I'm Annie from GetonAgain. The China International Sewing Machinery and Accessories Show will be grandly opened in Shanghai tomorrow. And I'm so excited to say this will be my ninth time attending this exhibition. So, how about you? How many times have you been to SISMA? Actually, for our GetonAgain company, this is our first time showing in SISMA. So we will present a range of new technologies and products, including garment catalog software, automated equipment, computer electronic system, IoT solutions, and eDOS, covering industries such as apparel, home textile, furniture, and automotive. And here, I am so proud to see the carbon fiber placement stitching machine has been selected as a SISMA Star product. If you are as excited as I am, come by and see us tomorrow. Please find us at booth M01 in Hall W5. See you tomorrow.